These nutty and tasty candied lotus seeds will be a great addition to your traditional Tết candy fruit tray. Let's begin!
Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
First, parboil the lotus seeds with a little bit of salt for about a minute and then discard the water to reduce the acrid taste. Then fill the pot with water enough to cover the lotus seeds. Lower the heat and cook until soft. Keep the fire low to retain the shape of the cheese. When they are soft, add sugar, a little bit of salt and stir gently to dissolve the sugar. Soak the lotus seeds in the sugar syrup for about 4 to 6 hours. Next, strain the lotus seeds and catch the sugar syrup in a large wok. Over low heat, ladle the sugar syrup and pour over the lotus seeds. You have to repeat this step for about half an hour or more until the sugar syrup reduces and almost dry out. Pour the remaining syrup into a bowl. Pour the lotus seeds back into the wok. Stir very gently over very low heat. Keep doing this for about 45 minutes to an hour until the sugar crystallizes around the lotus seeds and then stop. Spread them out on a tray and sun dry for about 2 to 3 hours or dry them in a dehydrator or a preheated oven at 80 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour until they dry out completely. When done properly, the lotus seeds should be still very soft with a gentle sweet taste, slightly fragrant and very tasty. Serve with a sip of green tea will be a perfect choice in Tết holidays. I hope you like the recipe. If you give it a try, don't forget to send me a photo. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing Vietnamese recipes. I will see you then next time. Bye bye!